So I am Joe Tafur. I'm a family physician, medical doctor. I'm also someone that spent a number of years working and training in the Amazon and the Shipibo tradition of ayahuasca shamanism. And so I have completed my kind of initiation and also practice, ayahuasca shamanism. Furthermore, I had some research experience at UCSD in the Department of Psychiatry, and I'm kind of an integrative medicine enthusiast, so I've been very interested in all these topics, and eventually my interest and my experience in all these things led to the writing of my book, The Fellowship of the River, a medical doctor's exploration into traditional Amazonian plant medicine, which was released last year and which I've been promoting to try to share my experience and some of my theories about how these two worlds are coming together. Because of my interest in my research around the book, I was very curious to see if we could show evidence that some of this deep emotional healing that people are going through in my case, through the ayahuasca shamanic approach with the other plants and the traditional approach, that perhaps it would be leading to epigenetic changes. And that if you looked at something like saliva, you could find cells that would potentially track that change. And so Modern Spirit, the nonprofit, is dedicated to demonstrating the value of spiritual healing in modern healthcare. And so it does not exclude not only people's emotional healing processes, but their own self-description of possibly what they might consider a spiritual healing. And then looking for evidence in the biochemistry that would go along with the people that say they had that kind of healing. MAPS, the Multidisciplinary Association of Psychedelic Studies, has their new phase of their trial for the MDMA-assisted psychotherapy trial, which is what's paving the way for MDMA-assisted psychotherapy to become a legal treatment. And they have had such incredible results with very difficult patients. So it would seem that there'd be some kind of physiologic change that happens in these people to have such a dramatic change in their psychological and physical experience. So we're moving forward. The study's IRB approved. MAPS is interested in participating. So we're all working together. So we're going to start collecting saliva samples on the people going through the MAPS trial. And then we will be measuring, looking for epigenetic changes in those samples over the course, the time points of that trial. If we have enough initial funding to initiate and start sending the kits out and start collecting on people. And then as we go forward, we'll need to raise more money because of course this epigenetic research, it's lab intensive and it's expensive. So we're looking to raise the money because we think it is a frontier in medicine. It's a frontier in medicine and in our understanding of biology and the way emotion and other things, mysterious things, affect our physical body. And through modernspirit.org, there's opportunity to donate to, we'll probably need something like $200,000 eventually to really complete it over a period of a couple of years. Visit my website, drjoetafur.com, to learn more about what I'm doing, to learn about the book, Fellowship of the River, some of the speaking that I've been doing, and also visit modernspirit.org to learn about our project and our other ideas for future projects, and please support the Modern Spirit Epigenetics Research Project. Thank you.